morning and welcome back to Sold on RV Life. This morning we are going to be traveling a whopping 1/10 of a mile. Probably not even a 1/10 of a mile. We're going to be moving RV spots. Right over there. Perfect. We're going to be moving to a new spot in this RV park for a longer term site that we will be in for several months. Why they have to charge a different price for different sites, I'm not quite sure, but that's what this park does. And so yes, because the pull-through sites are a premium site, and so we're going to be doing a back-end site. So today I'm going to take you along as we go. And as you can see, I have quite a bit of a mess I have to pick up. I am not going to secure everything as much as I would if we were traveling on a real travel day.
Isn't that though? You're like,
Well, I haven't made you sick yet, have I?
I don't know. I don't watch your video. I mean,
I'm going to keep that. I am keeping that. You heard him, folks. Doesn't watch my videos. That's okay.
that's a lie and you know.
I'm learning to live with the rejection. No, you play the videos.
Yeah.
Whether or not
Stop it.
you watch them or not is a whole new. Anyway.
Give me my camera back.
All right, so I have a bunch of stuff to pick up. We've been just relaxing for the last week, and I'm not going to go through the whole shebang with y'all, but I will show you when we get ready to close up. So till then, say hi to the nice people. Push the button when you're ready, Whit. I don't see any leaking. So I turned on the water. It goes into the black tank and the sprayer starts rinsing the tank. And then we wait until the pool water changes from that lovely color to more clear.
Oh, I have a feeling we're gonna find them everywhere. Gonna have to go on anti-ant patrol.
Ooh, you guys. I don't know what that is stuck on the wall, but they like it. Okay, we have haphazardly stored everything where we think it will be okay. Although I will shut the refrigerator. We don't need that coming out open. Easily done. See, snap, snap, just like all the other times. But I think we're going to be all right. We're only going a few feet. And that I will move off the table. But other than that, I think we're ready. Let's do it, Brutus. On second thought, I changed my mind, and I moved a couple more things. I think we're gonna be fine. I'll move that sort. And the dog is again patiently waiting for us to be done because she's worried. Question is whether or not I decide to ride inside the trailer or outside the trailer. I've been wanting to see what it looks like in here when we are moving, and this seems like it might be a safe way to do it. Other than that, we're going to set up a camera possibly. I don't know. Setting up a camera might be a safer idea. What do you think? Okay, before we put this whole place back together, everything looks like it went really well. I haven't watched the video yet. Mr. Bones is still relaxing on the couch here. Looks like he's taking a nap. Basically, we opened the slides. Everything's still in its place. A little bit of a mess. I'll have to replace everything. This heat is kicking our butts. I don't know, am I melting? Poor Oli is just losing his mind because he's got to do all the physical stuff. And I help as much as I can. But sometimes it's just not enough. Anyway, we'll see you in a little bit.